Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where I'm gonna show you how to add suppliers to your store on Storeino platform. All you need to do, first of all, log into your account and then click on products, and there here you can click on suppliers and just click on new supplier. So all you need to do now is just fill in the supplier information and the supplier address. So let's go ahead and do that, for example. And the name of the company, of course, number. And for the supplier address, you need to fill the first address and the second address. Choose the country, the province, and the city, for example. And you can do the same thing with uh, and choose the country of your supplier, then select the province. For example, I'm gonna go with this, and then select the city. And when you are done with filling the information, you just go ahead and click on confirm. And as you can see, our supplier was successfully added to our store, and you can find it here on the section of suppliers here with all the information that we have provided. So that was everything for this video. I hope you learned something, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments.